All right, I found this little guy at Walmart, 20 bucks. The only thing that interests me is obviously this Charizard. I doubt I'll get it, but couldn't find anything good today at the store, so I decided to get this. At least I can open something. So let's bust open this box and see what's in here. Get my scissors. So it comes with these 3 packs, or at least the Detective Pikachu pack and 2 other packs. And then possibly that seeded Charizard, which would be amazing to open on video. Let's pop it open. Oh, and this cute little Pikachu. Good Lord, look at how cute he is. Oh my gosh, he's so adorable. All right, buddy, you chill right there. Doesn't look like I got any randomly seeded card. Move Pikachu over. You can watch. So this is what I got. Detective Pikachu pack. 2 Cosmic Eclipse packs. And a cute little coin. So bust open these Cosmic Eclipse packs first. So even at $4 a pack, that's 4, 8, 12 bucks plus the little Pikachu. That makes him like $8. I would totally spend $8 on the little guy. So it's worth it to me, even for that chance to get the Charizard. All right, first pack. Y'all can try to use that code that you saw. I might use it, I might not. So first person to watch this video and see the code, have at it. It's available. Another one. They put these in. I hate when they put them in like this. I wish they put them all in like this. All right. Oh, Blastoise and Piplup. That's nice. Which is weird because it was not the right code card. So I will take a pull out of these 2 packs. Pretty sweet. All right, let's check this Detective Pikachu pack. Oh, good Lord, it's going to be one of these hard packs. I don't want to damage these cards. Pretty little Magikarp. All right, Pikachu, give me some luck, buddy. Charmander. That's it. Interesting. These I'll just sleeve up all these cards real quick. Because more than likely I'll just keep up. Just because they're different, they're unique, they're cute. We know Magikarp is OP and Detective Pikachu. Just gets a little scared and transforms into Gyarados. And my Blastoise. Alright guys, thanks for watching.